Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to compose a truth using emojis on Truth Social on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Truth Social. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, now go to truthsocial.com. We can use the bookmark shortcut, truthsocial.com. And now make sure that you are signed into the account. If not, go back to the previous tutorials where I did demonstrate how to sign into the account. And then you could come back to this one. Now let's go to compose a truth. What's on the mind? Let's just use the emojis option. So here are some of the frequently used emojis. Here is people, and there's a wide variety of emojis that we're all more than welcome to use. So let's just keep it quick. So I'll just say thumbs up. This is the emoji test. Hashtag Computer Science Videos. Before clicking on truth, let's just go back to the emojis. Choose one more, maybe a smiley face. Click on truth. And they should have been posted to my profile. Let's now refresh the page. So reload, and there we have. This is the emoji test, Computer Science Videos, with those two emojis that were posted to the page. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.